Hey guys, we are in packet number 3 and we are working on multiplication and division. So I decided I'm going to put 3 problems in this video. Let's tackle them. Janet has 6 boxes of shells. There are 7 shells in each box. Which of these shows how many shells Janet has? I am going to think of my clue words and I see boxes right here and I'm thinking that boxes is going to help me with my groups. I also know that groups represents my first factor or your first number in a multiplication equation because I can put several things in one box and you can put several things in a group. This right here has a clue word each. 7 shells in each box. So I know that that is going to represent my second factor or my second number in my multiplication equation because the second factor represents how many are in each group. So you could say with your x, 6 groups of 7. And already I got my brain warmed up with these word problems and these clue words to help me see that my answer is 6 times 7. So you can go ahead and decide that in your packet for packet number 3. Let's take a look at this next one. A teacher uses bags and paper clips to show the meaning of 9 times 3. Which explanation correctly shows the meaning of 9 times 3? I'm going to write over some of these words, but I know that my 9 is representing my groups because that is my first factor or my first number in a multiplication equation. And I know that 3 represents how many are in each group. So remember, your first factor represents your groups, and your second factor represents how many are in each group. You could also model this with a drawing: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 groups with 3 paper clips in every single bag. So these groups are representing your bags, and 3 shows you that there are 3 paper clips in every single bag. So once you have thought about some of those clue words and understanding what this represents, you can look at these words and decide which one makes the most sense. The teacher puts 9 paper clips in a bag. Well, we just said that there were 3 paper clips in each bag, so I can get rid of that choice. The teacher has 9 paper clips. Again, going with 9 paper clips, but we know that there are 9 bags, so we're going to get rid of that one. The teacher has 9 bags of paper clips. That matches this right here, 9 bags of paper clips, and then removes 3 paper clips. Removes means subtract. I know we're multiplying, so I'm going to get rid of that one. The teacher has 9 bags, 9 groups, and then puts 3 paper clips in each bag. 3 paper clips in each bag. So we had selected D for that one. Let's take a look at this last one. Oops, sorry about that. My screen is not cooperating. At recess, the children lined up in groups of 3. So here are your groups. Brianna thought the lines could be represented by this expression: 3 groups with 6 children in every single group, or 6 children in each group. So think of those words: groups, 3 groups, and there are 6 children in each. But I don't see multiplication here. I have to determine which repeated addition equation matches this multiplication. Remember, you always repeat your second factor. So if I know that I always repeat my second factor, I would say 6 3 times. Notice that they put 3 3 times here. You can also discount that answer because you know that that only equals 9. And you know this equals more than 9. You could say 6, 12, 18. If you get stuck after your doubles, you could always visualize 6 plus 2 and see that that equals 8 and know that your next number is 18 when you're skip counting. So I know that 6 plus 6 plus 6 is correct. One more way of knowing that, you could draw 3 groups and put 6 inside each group and see that it's the same as that answer, 6 plus 6 plus 6. I hope this was helpful for packet number 3.